one of the key factors that you need to know is the number of calories that you're consuming and the number of calories that you're expending. To do this, you'll need to know your basal metabolic rate. You can find this by using the USDA DRI calculator. Let's take a quick look at using that DRI calculator to find your basal metabolic rate. Here I have the USDA DRI calculator. At the DRI calculator, you'll be asked a variety of questions. The first is your gender, I'm male. The next is your age, I'm 49 years old. Next is your height, I am 5 feet 11 inches tall. The next is your weight in pounds. I weigh 155 pounds. And lastly, you'll be asked your activity level. My activity level for this exercise, I'm going to place at low active. Now I'll submit that. And here are the DRI calculator results. You see my entered information and the calculation. You'll see that I have a body mass index of 21.7, and the calculator estimates that I need 2,517 kilocalories per day. This number is a little on the high side for me. I think I need slightly lower calories than this. You should use this as a starting point to work out the number of kilocalories that you personally need each day. If you scroll down further, you can see the amounts of carbohydrate, protein, fat that you need in your diet, as well as the amounts of vitamins and minerals that it's recommended that you ingest.